In this video, I'm going to show you how to share via Snapdrop. So Snapdrop is a free browser-based file sharing tool that lets you send files wirelessly between devices on the same Wi-Fi network, so no app installation required. So first, on both the sending and receiving devices, make sure you open both a browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. It's up to you. And then make sure you also are on the official website of Snapdrop. So always check the URL. It should be snapchat.net. And then each devices will be assigned a random name. For example, like Blue Dolphin, something like that. And then on the sending device, so this is the sending device. So tap or click the upload files. And then let's say we're going to send a photo and then open it and then wait for it to upload. So make sure you upload this. And then after that, it will redirect you to the another page. So wait for it to load up. So now in here, um, you should see here a receiving device, a name of receiving device if you are connected with the same network. So unfortunately, we couldn't find any receiving device because I don't have a receiving or receiver. So assumingly we have. So a file selection window will open and then after that click on that and then after that on the receiving device a pop-up will appear with the download prompt and then click download to save the file and that's it. That's how you share files by Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.